And we have to think about this. Do we want to collaborate with technology, or are we going to end at a place where there are conflicts? And who decides? With great power comes great responsibility. Gartner just announced a couple days ago, in the research organization Gartner, that digital ethics is the #1 topic for 2019. You'd be surprised, because when you're in the tech business, you're saying, okay, as Bertolt Brecht once said, dinner first, then morals. I mean, it's very hard to sell ethics. Right? It's not a product. It's even harder to sell humanity. But now companies like Microsoft and many other companies are saying it's very important for us to do the right thing with technology. Because in theory, very soon, we can do anything.